In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Need for Speed Rivals PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before starting, to make sure that you can play Need for Speed Rivals online multiplayer on the PlayStation 4, make sure that you have an active PlayStation Network account or subscription. You will need to have PlayStation Plus in order to play. So, when you acquire PlayStation Plus, you will be able to launch Need for Speed Rivals and from the home screen. When you pause the game at any point, one of the categories at the top left is going to be All Drive, usually the third category. So go into the All Drive category and you will be able to choose All Drive settings. Now you can create your own session. You will be able to choose between a public game where other random people can join or a friends only game. This way, only you and your friends will be able to play together in the session. So after you configure the matchmaking setting to whatever you prefer, go ahead and start the match by yourself. Once you choose the option to start a private session, you will be able to invite them over. So when you go back into the All Drive settings, you will be able to choose the Friends tab. And as soon as you send them an invite through the Friends list, they will be able to accept and join. They will get a notification and they will load into the session that you created. Alternatively, if you don't want to host a session, you will be able to choose public game and choose the option to find a new session instead. For PlayStation Plus, everyone who is going to be playing needs to have PlayStation Plus active, so keep that in mind. But on PlayStation 3, it is completely free to play. You don't need a PS Plus subscription. And keep in mind that this game does not feature a split screen, so you will only be able to play together with your friends if each of you has your own console and your own copy of the game for online multiplayer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer Need for Speed Rivals PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.